How to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Facebook, click on three lines located at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your name. Your profile will pop up. Click on three dots beside Edit Profile. Then in here, you will find professional mode, but if you don't find it here, make sure your profile is not locked. Click on Lock Profile and then check if your profile is locked or not. If it's locked, simply unlock it from here. If this does not solve your problem, go to Settings, scroll down to Apps and Notifications, click on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up in your Apps and Notifications. Simply click on Facebook. Go to Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Then clear cache. After you clear your cache, force stop the app. Then open the app. After that, you will be able to see your professional mode. This is how to fix Facebook professional not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.